Hello everyone. Now you're going to create the Java automation framework. Later we are going to add API, mobile and the Selenium framework to the Java automation framework. So for that we have to create a new project. We'll choose the Gradle project. Okay. We'll launch IntelliJ, create a new project. Okay. Choose Java, choose Gradle, install the JDK 17. Okay, then give a project name, location, group ID and stuff, then you create. And now let's open the IntelliJ. As the IntelliJ is open, let me click on the new project. Okay, yeah, I had copied the it's Java automation framework that is inside the Java framework. Let's create this Java. Okay, now I'll choose the build system as Gradle. The language Java. I have given the group ID. This is the artifact ID. Okay, and choose the Java 17. If you want a different type of this. Okay, so now that's Java automation framework. We have IntelliJ Groovy Java 17. Okay, let's create. Yeah, it created. Let's go through the folders. It's saying like first the JDK is not set up. It's saying now as you have choose previously. Now it is done. Now let's go through the Gradle framework. Okay, this is the name. We have a Gradle.idea. Inside the Gradle, both are the like configuration stuffs. Now if we go inside the Gradle folder, it has the wrapper and the Gradle properties. Okay, so that is actually helpful to run the stuff in Gradle. Now we have a source folder. Inside that source, we have a main, we have a test. Inside the main, we have Java resource. Here, all the helper methods will go, which will get used in the future project. And this is the resource related to the helpers and all. Now if you come to the test folder, we have similar Java where we will go the test folder, test classes. Inside the resource folder, all the resources related to the test classes. Okay, and the gitignore, we have all those stuff that is related to git. Okay, and if you put something here, this will not be a part of the Git. So basically, all those configs and other things that you don't want to send to Git, just the clean code. So that's why this is used. Now we'll come to the build.gradle. In build.gradle, there is something called plugin. Okay, we are mentioning we are using the Java ID. Okay, then the group name is basically you can say the company name in whichever company you're putting. Okay, then the version we always go for 1.0 snapshot. Now we are using the Maven Center library. Okay, and these are the dependencies that we are using. Now let's clear some stuff that is already there. We have a main method here which is that created by IntelliJ itself. This is of no use for, so let's delete it. Okay, now inside the Java we'll create a new page and a new. Okay, before going that, let's add. So we are going to use the TestNG library, correct? TestNG library we are going to use. Let's search it. Okay, let's okay, let's search for the Java TestNG library. So it's TestNG Maven dependency. As you are using the Maven Central, we'll add all those Maven dependencies. Let's go inside the TestNG stuff. Now the latest build is Java, sorry, TestNG 7.1.1. Okay, so we can choose what is the scope. Okay, the runtime provider or test. Let's put tech test only because that will get test. We are using Groovy, so Groovy short. Now let me come to copy this and put here. Okay, now after you cover pasted this particular button, okay, whatever the Gradle stuff you are doing, you are changing anything, okay, it will download that stuff for you. Okay, so let's think. Okay, so let's think now. Now let's go to the Java folder. I will create a new package. Okay, the same allergy. Okay, dot oa. I created a package here. Now I'll create a class, new Java class. Let's give it a test run. Okay, so now you can do is like, so you can right click. Okay, go to generate. Now it will give you the option of test method. Click on test method, this will create. So let me give as test1. So now this will run as test. Now let me put some assertion here. Okay, int a equals to 10. Okay, and e equals to 20. Now let's do like assert. We can put correct assert or just TestNG assert dot assert equals. Okay, now I'll do a plus b, then I'll give the expected result. 20 plus 10 is 30, correct? Okay, then let me put a message. Okay, addition is wrong. Okay, now and let's okay, the basic rule. First put the hello world, correct? So s o s o the SOUT works, correct? Yeah. So let's put the hello world. Okay. Now we'll run this. Okay. This particular button says like you can run the test from here. As it know, it's running that. Now it gives some type of error. It's saying field dash index.xml. Okay. It create executed a test is saying could not start Gradle. Okay. So yes, tested here. No. But the reason is like here we have put like use JUnit plot platform and I have to give you TestNG. Okay, now let's see. Run the test. Now it's successful. It's saying hello world. Okay, task passed. Okay, let me put here 31. Let's see what is the error. I'll rerun the test. Okay, it failed. Okay, saying like addition is wrong. Expected 31, actual is 0. Okay, now build classes test results, and inside this I have the report here, the TestNG report that get triggered is saying failed cases. This is the last one, test run. It's saying expected 31, okay, but found 30. So this report is not shareable. Obviously, this is standard output that we are getting. Okay, so in the this is the class one. The second, what we'll do, okay, we will go for earlier addition. Okay, so thanks for the day. Yeah, okay. Please leave a comment or ping me on my ID for any questions or any doubts. Okay, yeah, thank you everyone. Bye bye.